Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Scott Dickey, BigYield.us, Ag Team Professionals. We're out here today, Virginia Beach, Virginia, October 16th, 2015. We're out on one of our big smart plots. We've got one of our local growers, and he's harvesting some soybeans he's planted. And we're excited to see what comes back with our test data and what his yield bump was. So what he did on this field is he went, I think, Big Soy 100 with his herbicide program. Then he planted in furrow with Big Bio 4X blended with Big Soy 100. Then he came back across with his fungicide program mixed with the Big Soy 100. Now, we were out here about 3 weeks ago, had some guys back from the Midwest, and we were pulling some plants, and we had some, I don't know, 150, 170 pod counts, 3 bean, 4 bean pods, all filled up. We're pretty excited about this. The grower seems really happy. We pulled some checks. The stem size on our product a lot bigger, root ball a lot bigger, greener plant, a lot of branching. So again, he's harvesting his soybeans with our Big Soy 100 and our Big Bio 4X. So we're pretty excited to see what he comes across the scales with. So we'll keep you posted. We should have some test data back for you here shortly. Scott Dickey, BigYield.us, Ag Team Professionals.